familia, it's Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So today I'm doing my next update for Partners in Cream. Update number 8, maybe number 9. I don't know, you'll know on the screen or on the title of this video, obviously. This was created by Steph and Dylan here on YouTube. As always, I will link them down in the description box, as well as a playlist if you're interested in binge watching this Project Pan. So I have my 5 products here to share with you guys today. Some products may be rolling out. Some products will be here lingering on forever and ever, but that's okay. So before we get into this update, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the familia. My name is Alejandra. I'm an eyeshadow enthusiast with a dash Project Pan. If that is something that interests you, subscribe. Join us. And now without further ado, let's get on with the update. All right, you guys, as you guys can see, I am in another angle of this room. I am trying to play around with the lighting and the background. My issue is, and I know a lot of you guys have pointed it out, I didn't think it was bad the last video, but if I don't have a white background, like I mean a solid white background, my white balance will always be off. Hence the reason why it's called a white balance, white background. That worked well with me with my window behind me. Currently right now I'm in front of my window. I have no ring light on. I'm using my natural lighting with soft boxes on the side just to kind of light up the room and help me out here. I noticed that if I don't have a white background, whatever shirt I am wearing, that's what the hue will be. Last time was red, now it's blue, so I'm trying to play around with it when it comes to my coloring. Right now, as you guys can see, you can see 2 white doors behind me. That may help me because they're white. So that's why I'm kind of sitting here. If this does not work when I edit it, and I get a lot of complaints about it, I will just go to my original with the window behind me, and we're gonna keep it at that forever for the rest of the time being, just because I don't wanna mess around with lighting. I already have to set everything up and I don't wanna take forever messing around before and during the editing process of my videos. I just want to put it out there. I know you're here for an update, but since this is like my second video sitting down filming, I just want to clarify that for you guys. So if you want to give me constructive criticism, you're more than welcome to downstairs.
Oh my goodness.
Down in the comment section, let me know what you guys think, because if this works, I'm sitting here and I'm going to stay put here and use my natural light. I'm trying to work with it because it's less things I got to pull out. It's just 3 things now I got to pull out versus like 10. So anyway, let's get on with this update before I linger on any more than I already have. So the first product I want to share with you guys is this Pure Bronze Your Selfie Liquid Bronzer. So with this product right over here, as you guys can see, I started out with 50 grams last month. And now currently we are at 34 grams. That's awesome. I'm very proud of myself for that. I've been really hustling and trying to use this up. I don't want to roll this into next year, but it might have to. I am wearing it today and it doesn't look so bad in the monitor. Like I'm looking and I'm like, even in real life, it doesn't look like I'm Oompa Loompa-ish because it's not too orangey. So I'm just mixing less with my foundation as I'm losing my tan, but I'm still using it because I can't use that foundation on its own. So we're gonna extend its life until I cannot. So it's gonna still stay in here and see how much more I can get use out of that. Next product that I have is Mcgrath lip gloss. Now, as you guys know, the whole point of this is I lost about 5 to 7 days of makeup wear time when my carpets were installed. There was about 2.5 days where they were actually here installing the carpet, but prior to that, every night, we were pulling things out of 5 rooms plus closets, you guys. You don't realize you have carpet in your closet until the day you gotta move every crap out to get it fixed. So it took a long time for us, and I just could not be bothered with wearing makeup, or my makeup collection products weren't accessible to me because we're shoved in corners elsewhere. So I lost about 5 to 7 days, and I was hoping to get more use out of any of my products, but more specifically this lip gloss because I use this lip gloss as chapstick. So I lost a few days, but I still have progress for you guys. You guys can see right there, this is where I was last month and now I am here. So it's not bad, but I was wishing for more. But if you look at the tube as a whole, you can clearly see that I do have half of the tube used. So I'm basically halfway done with this lip gloss. This will probably be done by June of next year with the way that things are going, because I can't use this every day. I can't use it outside unless I am somewhere where I don't need to wear a mask. So we're gonna continue with this, and we're just gonna continue until I can't anymore, basically. Now the next product that I have is my NARS the liquid blush. Goodness gracious, this is in luster. So last month, you guys know this was brand spanking new, and now we are right there, you guys. This is something that is a light apricot shade, so I have to put a little bit more in order for me to get an oomph to it. Out of the 4 shades, I have 2 that are light, 2 that are dark. This is one of the lighter ones, so I do pack on a little bit more. I am wearing it today. I've been wearing it every single day that I wear makeup. It gives me a nice flush to my cheek. If you have tan or deeper skin tone, this may not show up. You have to build it up, but if you do have fair to light skin, this may show up for you just with one pump. You obviously you don't need a lot. So you do put it on and it shears out. This color does shear out a lot more than the other ones. My goal is just to use more out of it. And I think I can get halfway done with this by the end of this round, basically, until the winter time comes. So I'm getting there, you guys. I do like this color. This is probably my second favorite because you guys know I love anything orangey, peachy on my cheeks. So this is my second favorite. My all-time favorite is Torrid, but this one I think I can get use out of it. And I know a lot of you guys wanted me to finish Torrid, but I view my liquid products differently from my powder products. My liquid products, I know that some I cannot finish. There's no way I can finish it. If I've used it enough, I feel like I've gotten my money. I justify the fact that I've been able to use it so I didn't go to waste brand new. With powders, they last a lot longer. Creams, I know I can't use the whole thing up because these, once they're done pumping, I can go in and scrape it out. So it's going to take me months to finish up one that's done pumping, basically. So don't worry, Torrid will be finished. I promise you guys. Our next product that we have is our MAC Prep and Prime Skin Base. This was a primer that I had. It was deluxe sample size. It was brand new, basically, when I brought it in. I only had used it for like maybe a week or two. And now, you guys, it's completely done. You guys can clearly see there, it is completely done. I have nothing left in here. I have squeezed the crap out of this, like bending it down. I have squeezed the crap out of this. This was nice. I'm very, This one surprised me because it was moisturizing, but yet did something to my skin. I kind of dig this one. This is one contender up there with my NARS and up there with the VDL one, but they all have something similar to each one. So I just got to pick the one that I like. And I think that's what I'm liking. Is a moisturizing primer, but still does a good job at keeping me matte. I know that sounds so odd, but I have found a few that do that, where it doesn't stick to my skin and give me patches. I'll explain to you guys another Project Pan why I'm saying this, because there's one that's driving me crazy doing that. But this one I'm done, so this is gonna get rolled out this round because I finished it up. That's one less primer in my collection, but I did like that one. So that is a good thing that I found something that I did enjoy. Last but not least is my Stila Kitten. I will share with you guys a picture of last month's updates. You guys can see I've used quite a bit of this product. This was something that I've used all over the face. I love the formula. I love the color of it. I knew I would end up finishing it up this month. And you guys, here we are. Here we are. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my goodness. Anything you see on here is just basically a stain. It's not really the product itself. This was really nice. This one was a lot easier to use than the bronze one. I felt like the bronze one took me forever because I couldn't use all over my face. It had to be specific areas where I used it. This one I was able to use all over my face, including my body, and it looked so pretty. If I were to choose any of these, again, Kitten would be the one that I would use. That's the one that's the general one, the one that I really liked. It looked beautiful with a wet sponge, dipping it in here and concentrating it on certain spots versus the whole entire face. A few of you had asked me, how did I use this all over my face? Foundation brush. Any kind of foundation brush that I did have, a buffing foundation brush, I would buff it in here and then buff it out into my skin. It worked beautifully. You don't have to press that hard on it, and I would just smush the product back into the center to make sure that I was using it evenly enough where it went away all at one time instead of having a dip in the center and it all going around on the outside. So this is done as well. This is another highlighter, you guys, that I am done. I'm so happy. I don't have many liquid cream highlighters left. Unfortunately, this past month, as I was looking for a new replacement to this one, a brand new one went bad. And that's what I'm trying to say with my cream and liquid products. It broke my heart to throw away something that I never got use out of because I was concentrating on something else. And that's what I mean. I'd rather use all of my lip products at least a few times versus never using them because I was concentrating on one and then those rest go bad, because then I did waste my money. But if I use a little bit of everything, at least I feel like I use something out of it. And that goes for my cream products only, because with my powders, they last a lot longer, obviously. This is done. We're going to roll that out. Now we have rolled out 2 products, so I'm going to roll in 2 products, and I already have those 2 products in, so I'm going to share with you guys. I'm going to share them with you guys right now. So to replace my Stila highlighter, I'm going to bring in my MAC Shell. This is a cream color base. This is where we're starting at right now. You guys, you can see that I already started using it, but I don't have pan in it and all. I do have a nice dip. This is, I've used this on its own, like on my actual cheeks, and it's very pretty, but it's more of a cooler peachy tone. I don't know if you guys can tell. See how you see a little hint of something right there? So it doesn't, I like it, but I don't love it. This color, I like it, but I don't love it. It's just, it has that pinky hue to it, and you can see it in the pan. So when I wear it concentrated on my cheeks, I kind of don't like it in the sun. I like it indoors, but I don't like it outside because you can see that pinky hue to it, and I'd rather go with a gold champagne hue. So I have been using this all over my face. I am wearing it today all over my face. I've been wearing it for about another like 2 weeks or so. That's when I finished the Stila one. So my goal is to finish this off. After this one, I only have 1 of these left, which excites me because that means I got use out of all of these suckers, and I bought all the colors because I do like this. If I were to choose a cream or liquid highlighter for my face to pinpoint it, the MAC ones are really good. They're not greasy, so if you are oily, they will work with you. They will work great. So I will put this in this project. I'll be rolling it in. My goal is to finish that off. And then for the MAC primer. Bear in mind, we only have, what, 2 months left of this year, so I'm just trying to throw things in that I'm already using in my routine that I know are going to last forever and they're not going to be done anytime soon, but might as well put it in. And I don't know how to measure this one. This is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. So this is a mini size, but you guys, this is what I've been using to set my brows, and it's been taking me quite a bit to finish this sucker off. So it's still kicking strong. This is what the brush looks like. I had to get used to this brush. This brush was actually kind of funky for me at first, but I do like the formula. It is what I'm wearing on my brows. It's what I wear on my brows every day to set it. So we're just going to put it in. It's a liquid product. It's not cheating. It's just, I know this is going to take me forever, so it's not going to be done by the end of the year. So there you guys have it. Those are my 5 products that I will be working on for the last 2 months. This project ends in December, I believe, and we're going to start this again in January. So some of these products, crossing fingers, should be done by then or being rolled out, and I will put new products in. I may add 6 products starting in January. Now that I have gotten the hang of things and I'm starting to dwindle down on my liquid and cream products, some things may be more long-term, so I may go to 6 products instead of 5 products. So we'll get there when we get there in January, but for now I'm still working on the 5 products. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down in the comment section to let me know how this is working for you guys. So thank you again. I'll put more videos right over here for your enjoyment. Until then, bye guys.